How to schedule Instagram post. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll guide you on how to schedule post on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's begin. Firstly, your account needs to be a professional account to schedule content. If your account isn't already a professional account, creator or a business account, you need to go to the account type on the settings page and set your account to create or a business account. Now for creating an Instagram post, tap on the create button at the bottom of the Instagram page, choose what you want to post, add filters and music if needed, create a caption. You can tag people, products and music, and also add music and etc. In the advanced settings, turn on schedule content and select the time you want to post to be scheduled for. Now, after that, press schedule. You can view all of your scheduled content by going to your profile, then tapping on the three bars at the top right, and then selecting the scheduled content. And from there, you can view, edit, delete, reschedule, or share your post by simply clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. So this was all about how to schedule Instagram post. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.